we off to?
Walmart.
Summer camp. Supplies?
Just prepping all of the things.
I don't think you pushed it.
I did.
Are you excited to go to Walmart?
I'm extremely excited.
Yeah. Are you an emo? Apparently we're gonna listen to Ukrainian emo music. I think my first concert was Britney Spears. Either way, very, very basic.
I'd listened to, through high school, a lot of Papa Roach, 3 Days Grace, Seether. That was, okay, I'm a secret emo apparently.
Yeah, apparently.
That's okay. So are we all gonna sing along? Johnny has to sing along.
Should I take the camera and record you?
Yes.
He sounds really good.
Private concert.
When you said like you did some singing, I didn't think you were gonna be like Elton John back here.
So camp has, at its busiest, over 600 kids there a day. That's a lot of stuff for the kids to do. So Walmart is one of our approved vendors, and there's just things, bits and odds and ends, and you'll see that it's utter nonsense.
Don't run me over, I'm an official. Ah!
Swagger. The list.
The list.
I
was like, where is it?
Kidding.
Should I make it?
What is the weirdest thing you think you've had to buy?
I mean, define weird.
Human body part?
No, not from here.
Is that where you're keeping the dinosaur embryos?
Yep. Excellent reference.
Oh, that's good. She knows this place like the back of her hand.
What is that? Sorry. Are we just gonna... Usually there's somebody here to stop us.
Is this in the budget though? Bubbles? This is actually really cool, but it is $20. But we can buy one. We can buy one and just...
When I was a kid, I said I want an easy bake oven. She looks me dead in the eyes.
We have a real oven?
You have a real oven at home. Grateful Dead bears? Scrap fabric? Anyone?
We love that for children. Should we get this for Nicole? Sharks.
Oh my gosh, is that, I mean, I guess.
I once accidentally ate a dog cookie.
I once intentionally ate a dog cookie. They're for the children, but these are my guilty pleasure snacks.
Yeah, and you can do like some lunges.
I should also clarify that this is not the only Walmart run.
Cool.
What?
We finished.
We might even be able to put this all she wrote.